Hey guys, it's Sunday again, which means I'm in sweatpants and I'm going to talk to you about what you're doing this week. All right, so first thing, you guys did your first round of discussions with the new format as far as you could use traditional or memes or a bunch of different ways to respond. And I love it. I've been reading them. The memes are funny. The people who did memes, I'm totally proud of you for taking a risk because I know it's a little different probably than what you're used to. And I got a laugh out of all of them, so that was great. And people who just did normal discussion posts, I'm also really pleased with the quality of your writing overall. I think you guys are doing a really good job building those writing skills and being good online students. So I'm happy with what I'm seeing on the discussion board for sure. This week is a quiz week, so we flip back and forth, right? One week we do discussion, one week we do quiz. I aim to have your quizzes ready Friday through Sunday. I think that's a good normal window to have. So it will be open 12:05 on Friday. Hopefully Moodle won't go down this time like it went last time. I apologize for the weirdness with quiz one. And it will be available through Sunday night. If you miss it, just email me. That is what several people did about quiz one. And it's fine. I'll come up with an alternate assignment for you because I have it set up that people get the answers after the window's closed. So, I can't let you take that after everybody's seen the answers. It's not very fair. But you can do the alternate, and that is okay. Please remember to do your homework first. Do your chapter 2 homework before you take the quiz. I also noticed that you guys had a hard time with those true false questions, so this time I think I'll try to do more multiple choice and less true false. If you are taking the alternate quiz, make sure that from quiz one, make sure that that's turned in by this weekend. And then just a note about late work in general. I really appreciate all of the people who are just keeping in touch with me about what you have going on. And I'm very understanding that sometimes assignments and work are going to be a little late. That happens. As I've told you guys before, I have 3 toddlers. I teach 6th grade English full time. You guys are my part-time job, and I'm working on my dissertation full time. So it's crazy over here too, and sometimes I need some help and some grace. So I don't mind to help you either. I will say, don't get a couple weeks behind. I'm flexible and I want to offer you that time, but just be careful. When you get too far behind, it is really hard to get caught back up. And on things like discussions and stuff, when you're weeks behind on a discussion, you're really missing out because you're not a big thing about a discussion is you're participating at a time where everybody's going to look at what you're saying. So I encourage you to try to stay on top of those things, but also I completely understand that life happens and things are going to happen, and that's okay. And if you do get further behind, we will talk about what we need to do to get you through this because it's my goal for all of you guys to come through this class with the skills and knowledge that I want you to have and a good grade for your GPA. And I think we can make that happen. So that is my spiel for this week. Study for your quiz. I think if I change the homework up that you're just taking notes this time around to try to get ready for that quiz, which I think should help. Also, this quiz, I'm going to do more questions from the John Green videos because I really liked the 2 videos we watched in this segment of class. And the quiz will only cover this week's chapter 4 and last week's chapter 3. So that's all of our content. And I think that's it for me. So you guys send me an email if you need anything. I hope you have a great week.